Welcome friends, my name is Sagar Deshmukh. In the last video we have started this numerical. In the previous video we have discussed how to find out interior angle of a traverse. Okay. Today we'll see how to correct the bearing of lines which are having error due to local attraction. Okay. So this numerical will be to correct numerical will be based on local attraction. Okay, so let's see how to correct the bearing which are having error due to local attraction. Now to find out the error due to local attraction, or to suspect which stations are having error of local attraction, we need to check whether the difference between fore bearing and back bearing of this line is plus or minus 180 degree or not. Okay, so let's check out. For line AB, fore bearing minus back bearing is not equal to plus or minus 180 degree. Here you can check that, you can calculate that. For line BC, fore bearing minus back bearing will not give us plus or minus 180 degree. For line CD also, fore bearing minus back bearing will not give us 180 degree. Now for line DE, if you check, fore bearing minus back bearing will give us 180 degree. Okay, so this is, I'll mark right for this. Okay, I'll tell you what is the meaning or why we have made this sign here. For line EA, you can see that fore bearing minus back bearing will not give us 180 degree, plus or minus 180 degree. So now we have found that for these lines the difference in fore bearing and back bearing is not equal to plus or minus 180 degree. The only line which is having difference in fore bearing and back bearing equal to 180 degree is DE. It means that station D and E are not having local attraction. Okay, so now we have got information which stations are having local attraction. So this means that all the reading taken on D and E will be correct, as these two stations are not having local attraction. So error due to local attraction. So all the readings which are taken on D or E will be error free. Okay. Now we know that if, for example, this is line AB, so for line AB fore bearing is 191 degree, so it will be in third quadrant, and back bearing is something which will be in first quadrant. It is, for exact calculation, it is 13 degree. Okay, so this is, if this is line AB, okay, then you can see that fore bearing of line is bearing which is taken at starting point, and back bearing is generally taken at end point of line. Okay, it means that fore bearing of AB is taken at A, whereas back bearing of AB is taken at B. Okay, so likewise let's see which stations which bearings are taken from D and E. So now you can guess that forebearing of line DE, as all reading on taken on D and E will be correct. So forebearing of line DE, comma, forebearing of line DE will be taken at D, or it must be taken from D. Okay, then back bearing of line DE, this is taken at E. Then back bearing of line CD, it is taken at D. And last one, forebearing of line EA, these readings must be correct. Okay, now why this reading will be correct? Because forebearing of line DE will be taken at D, and what we have written, all the reading taken at D and E are correct. Okay, so that's why reading taken at D, which is forebearing of line DE, will be correct. Again, this back bearing of line DE is taken at E, so that's why it will be correct. Then the next point is the next bearing is back bearing of line CD, which will be taken at, or which must be taken from D. So this should be correct as it is taken from D. And the last one is forebearing of line EA. So this is taken from point E. So this is also correct one. Okay, so these readings are correct, and rest of reading are having error due to local attraction. So we have to correct all other readings. Okay, so let's correct this correct the other readings which are having error due to local attraction. Now it means that this reading is correct, this is also correct, this is also correct one, and this reading is also correct one. So we can proceed from this loop, and or we can go by calculating or by correcting bearing from this route. Okay, so let's try to correct the bearing of line CD first. So as we know that this is back bearing of CD and it is correct. So how should we calculate the forebearing of CD? We know that this forebearing is incorrect, so correct bearing must be lesser than 180 degree by this back bearing. So as back bearing of CD is correct, so forebearing of CD equal to back bearing of CD minus 180 degree. So how much it is? You can check here. The forebearing of CD is 200 degree 30 minute. So 200 degree 30 minute minus 180 degree. So it will be 20 degree 30 minute. Okay. Now we have got, it is for CD we are calculating. Okay. So yes, the forebearing of CD which is given in the problem statement was 22 degree 15 minutes. Okay, we have got correct value as CD is equal to forebearing of CD equal to this, but we have given the value as this 22 degree 15 minutes. Okay, so now we'll calculate error at C. Okay, so the pore bearing of CD is taken at C, so we'll calculate error at C. As we know that the incorrect bearing which calculated at the point C is 22 degree 15 minutes. Okay, and correct bearing is 20 degree 30 minutes. Now here we can see that the incorrect bearing is larger than correct bearing, so the error will be positive, so that's why it will be (45 minutes), and here it will be 1 degree 45 minutes will be the error at C. It means that the correct bearing at C is smaller by 1 degree 45 minutes than incorrect bearing. Okay, so we know that pore bearing of CD is taken at C, and also back bearing of line BC is also taken at C, and we have calculated the error at C. So this back bearing of BC should also have error of 1 degree 45 minutes. So let's correct this back bearing of BC. The back bearing of BC is 222 degree 30 minutes. Okay, so correct back bearing will be back bearing of BC will be lesser by 1 degree 45 minutes than this bearing, so we have to deduct the error from this. So 222 degree 30 minutes minus 1 degree 45 minutes will give us the correct bearing, because the error at C is 1 degree 45 minutes. Okay, so when the error will be positive, then you have to deduct the error from next bearing, that will be back bearing of BC. When the error is negative, you have to use the opposite sign, that will be positive here. So 222 degree minus 1 degree 45 minutes, it will give us 15 here it will be 15, and we'll get here 220 degree 45 minutes. Okay, so this is correct back bearing of BC. Now if we have what correct back bearing of BC, we can find out the correct pore bearing of BC. So let's calculate that. Here you can see that back bearing of BC is lesser, pore bearing of BC is lesser than back bearing of BC. So the pore bearing should be lesser by 180 degree than back bearing. So the pore bearing will be equal to back bearing minus 180 degree. So let's calculate the pore bearing of BC. So it is back bearing minus 180 degree, which will give us pore bearing. Back bearing is calculated by us already, 45 minutes minus 180 degree. It will be, how much it will be? 40 degree 45 minutes. Okay, Now we'll calculate the error at which point? B. So it will be equal to, again, the bearing of line at B is, which is given is 39 degree 30 minute, and correct for bearing at BC of BC is, this is incorrect for bearing or given for bearing, and the minus correct for bearing. Okay, so correct for bearing is 40 degree 45 minute. So let's calculate this. If you calculate this, you will get 15 minutes here, and in the degrees you will get 1 degree. Okay, so 1 degree 15 minute, and the sign will be negative here. Okay, now as per our rule, we'll calculate the next bearing which is taken at point B. So at B, two bearings are taken. One is back bearing of BC, and other one is fore bearing of, at B two bearings are taken. First one is fore bearing of BC, and second one is back bearing of AB. So we have calculated the error from fore bearing. So back bearing of AB will be equal to the incorrect back bearing plus error. We know that we have to use opposite signs here. So if it is minus in this place, we have to use plus here. So for line AB, back bearing, incorrect back bearing which is given, the value of this back bearing is, let's check out. For line AB, incorrect back bearing is given as 13 degree. Okay, so correct back bearing will be equal to 13 degree plus 1 degree 15 minute. It will be 14 degree 15 minute. Now we have got correct value of back bearing at, let me check. Yes, we have got this as a correct back bearing of line AB. Now we can calculate fore bearing, correct fore bearing of AB. You can see that in the problem statement is given that the back bearing of line is 13 degree, whereas the fore bearing is given somewhat greater than this back bearing. So it is given nearly equal to 190 or something. Okay, so it means that fore bearing of line is greater than 180 degree by so back bearing. I'll repeat it. The fore bearing of line is greater by 180 degree than back bearing of line. So we have got correct back bearing, that is 14 degree 15 minutes. So correct fore bearing will be this plus 180 degree. So how much it will be? 194 degree 15 minutes, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so this is correct fore bearing of AB. Now let's calculate error at A. So error at A is equal to incorrect fore bearing of AB minus correct fore bearing of AB. So let's calculate that. Incorrect fore bearing of AB is 191 degree 45 minutes. It is given in problem statement, you can check that, and this is correct for bearing. So if you calculate this, you will get 30 minutes here. Oh, sorry, yes, here 2 degree 30 minutes, sorry, it will be 2 degree 30 minutes. Okay, this is error at C. Now we know that the other bearing which is taken at A is back bearing of EA, which will be taken at A. So back bearing of EA must be, this is minus, okay, incorrect. Back bearing of EA plus error. Okay, so it is 147 degree 45 minutes plus, as this is minus, we'll take plus here, 2 degree 30 minutes. So it will be 5 as it is. So 15 minutes and 150 degree will be the answer. Okay, so we have got this as a correct back bearing of EA. Now if you remember, earlier we have said that fore bearing of EA is correct already. Now to cross check our calculation, we can see that if this computed back bearing by us should be having difference of 180 degree with its fore bearing, because it is already correct. So let's check out the fore bearing plus or minus or 180 will give us back bearing of line or not. Okay, so fore bearing of line which is given is 330 degree 15 minutes. You can check out, it is given in problem statement.